got it. Haven't had this bonus yet. At least got something. Let me widen you out here a little bit. Now, of course, we're only doing 50 cents, but you never know. Here we go. Oops, I hit the button. Every time you get that, you get a free game. So you want to keep getting those to keep you going. And getting some kind of wins with it. But you get the $1.25 for the fireball. Come on. Fireballs and free games. Keep going. Nice. 50 cents isn't much, but adds up. Keep giving me free games. Come on. Okay, it's $2. 3 more spins. Need some more. Nice. Okay, get 2 more spins. Need some more free games. Come on, save us. No, well, at least we got $11.
Hello to all my friends and subscribers in the slot community. I'm thrilled to share that Slots Fiesta will be happening during the last weekend of March, and I'll be there. Join me for a live stream on Saturday, March 29th at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time from Resorts World. Also, I'll be celebrating my birthday with a live stream on April 2nd in Las Vegas. Please keep in mind that the timing may change. I encourage you to turn on notifications, as I might host unexpected pop-up live streams from March 26th to April 3rd. As I'll be in Las Vegas, this is a fantastic chance for all of you to share your favorite slot games for me to try for Viewers' Choice Thursdays. I'll have access to a variety of options in Las Vegas that I can't find at home. Please drop your slot suggestions in the chat so I can schedule your slots to pick from for the next 2 weeks for Viewers' Choice. Thank you, my slot community family.
One more. Nice, got it. Wish it would have been on dimes or nickels, but I'm not going to complain. It's better than nothing. Ooh, I forgot it's a wheel. Might have to expand you out a little bit, so you can see the whole thing. Oh, come on. Be nice to me. Let's start it when he hits that mega. Let's go. Come on. Free games, probably. Oh, Firelink? Oh, I got the Firelink. Good. I'd rather have the Firelink than a free game. Well, I'll leave it the way it is and just shrink you in a little. Like I said, it's a big screen, so it's hard to tape. Here we go. Come on, one more and open it up right away. Oh, you need 2 more. Never mind. You need 2 more. Come on, down on the bottom. That's some nice numbers in there. $18.15. Thank you. Well, there we go. Open up the next one. Only need 2 more to open up the next level. Nice. Keep throwing. Nice numbers, too. Come on, 2 more for the next one. Come on, monkeys. Keep throwing them down. Doing a good job. Oh, come on. Save it. Anything. Well, it's actually a good bonus. I don't know where it's going to go on the screen. Just hopefully right here. Oh, might have got our money back. Yep, we did. Started with $90. Now we're up to 102. Well, keep going and play it down to probably $90. Call it a session. It's a winning one, even if you break even. Do it again. Oh, it's right there. Come on, throw it to there. Got it naturally. Got some nice numbers in there too. All right, here we go. See if we can get it again. Oh, they threw a lot of nice numbers up there. I'm not even going to say what they are. Just hope we can break the glass. Come on. Throw them down on the bottom. Thank you. Nice. Open that one up. You can probably see it in the screen. $18 on the next one. So we need 2 more fireballs on the bottom. Okay, we got one. Only need 1 more. Throw it on the bottom. Dang it. Come on, monkeys. Down on the bottom. Already on the save it already. Come on, let's get it on the bottom. Somewhere on the bottom. Dang it. I knew it with the $18 in there. It helps. Not a lot, but probably about $20. Keeps us going. A little more than I thought. $26. Gives us about $30 more to go and play with. Up to 119. Do some back spins on here, since this is what it's hitting on so far.